You're watching Star Wars!
This might be a short trip. Stay with me.
Oh, there's too many to get through. The Jedi and the Rebels.
You think you can help us out?
Clear a path for Jedi Bob and Sig. Do it.
What are you doing, Sig? Stop playing around and focus.
It all started when a cute kid named Anakin Skywalker turned into the scariest Sith Lord in the galaxy, Darth Vader. And that was it. Or was it? It was not!
I'm back, baby. The dead speak.
I'm cranky now. Get him, Rey!
Not bad, huh?
There's only one way to say this. You messed up. You blew it. You goofed.
You tell the same story every single time.
She is tired of hearing you talk. I'm struggling with not ripping you apart piece by piece. Can I, Darth Devastator? Please.
What in the...
The building blocks of the galaxy are getting mixed up. Everything we knew about the galaxy will be different. What's come before us is gone.
Salt. Pepper.
Something new.
This is why I don't want to mess with the Force.
Sig, the Force doesn't work that way.
Dev? Is that you? Are you pranking me?
It's a trap! 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 A trap it is! Get it off me!
This party's just getting started.
My name is Maul. Hello. It's like Paul with an M. It's an absolute pleasure to meet you.
Some family stuff?
I'm your what?
Oh, never mind. No. The separator.
You really ought to surrender. The odds of me not destroying you are approximately 4,325 to 1.
Well, that is extremely ominous.
Oh, Sith.
This is wild. Darth Rose Tico, Darth Nubs, Darth Kid Fisto, Darth Hammerhead. I'm sorry, I don't remember your name.
These are going to hurt you, sir.
Darth Jar Jar?
It seems your beginner's luck has run out, brother.
Oh, you call me brother. That's progress.
No,
No! No! Someone find them!
After him! I want him alive!
Not good.
Maybe they just want to be friends.
Excuse me! But me say thinking you say people gonna die. You say not going anywhere. Lisa being the one to bring Darth Devastator the cornerstone. Lisa the Phantom Menace. Lisa always been the Phantom Menace. How rude. Whoa!
Darth Jar Jar? Ridiculous.
Let's go. We need to get off this planet. He likes you.
Well, that's very nice. I like him too.
I like you also.
Well, thank you so
I'm
much.
gonna see if anyone can help us get off this planet.
You're not really gonna leave. Vanessa is our home.
You were no one when I found you. And you're still no one.
This is the way.
What should we call you?
They call me the Landolorian. Isn't that right, baby?
Oh, wait, sorry. Ewoks. I meant Ewoks. I love those little guys.
How undignified.
No, 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 no!